No, far from the same size.
They are actually the same. Yeah, I had these, and I was quite happy with how they were, and I've had these for like this is the third time I bought these, and he just kind of also bought them. So you also bought these for the second time as well.
Yeah.
They're just very comfortable. Quite comfortable to walk in, well not in actual walking shoes.
We bought 5 additional pairs of shoes here. We bought an extra suitcase which we're going to take back.
Not necessarily because of all the things, but also because I didn't have a larger suitcase, so I wanted one. And the Donkey has a lot of they have a lot of options, so I bought a suitcase there. No room for all the
下です。電車とホームの間が空いていますので、お降りの時は足元にご注意ください。高野下
You wouldn't necessarily say that it's travel by it's just luggage.
Please exit on the right side and be careful of the doors.
How we're going to plan everything here in Japan.
It's remarkable. How did you know to find the train to get up here to...
Well,
Maps?
Yeah, Google Maps helped us a bit, and we've been in Japan now for 1.5 weeks.
Yeah,
So
2 weeks.
we're quite familiar already with
So you started to
public
see...
transport.